Before you pick any topic or you write any book and publish on KDP or any digital platform, you need to watch this video to the end, because this video is about how to pick a topic. Before you watch or write any book, then you need to watch the video to the end. Hello friends, my name is Obinekpa from Ultimate Digitals. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the step on how you can choose a topic. If this is first time of coming to my channel or watching my video, then you're welcome to my channel. If you have not subscribed, subscribe to this channel so that you can always get updates and quality videos like this. Turn on the notification and do subscribe so that you always get all the quality videos and details whenever I drop videos like this. And if you have any question on KDP or anything bothering you on how to make money online, then you can also drop your comment in the comment section, and I will be glad to answer you and treat the matter as it comes. So that being said, let's continue. So today in this video we are going to look at how to pick a topic. Now, if you are a beginner, there are one or two things you may need to know. You don't just pick any book to write, or just write any book. If you write any book, the chances of your book selling is slim. But if you watch this video to the end and you get all the details, because what I'm about to share in this video is a secret that many people are missing, and that is why most of the time their books or your book don't sell, and you'll be wondering why. How is it possible that after all the work and all that? So I'm going to show you the simple tips or the secret of choosing the title that is selling, so that you don't just waste your time writing a book and your book doesn't sell, and at the end of the day you'll be frustrated. Many people have actually stopped writing and abandoned their books because they don't get sales. So we'll be walking through the steps, like I said, without wasting time. As you already know, I always do my best to share quality information in all my videos and tutorials. So this one is also one of them. Alright, so that being said, now we want to check, you want to publish a book and you don't know how to now one of the most important things you need to do is you look at the area you want to choose, like your niche. Which area do you want to write, or the area of specification? Where do you like writing, or where do you have interest? Now we are going to open, let me open my Amazon page so that we look at some of the best positions to choose from. Okay, so here on Amazon page, now you select all, then go to scroll down to ebook. Kindle store. Now select Kindle store. Now under Kindle store, we are going to look at let's wait while it load. Now we're on Kindle store page. Sorry, excuse me. Now, before you go ahead, you look at bestsellers, bestsellers and more. So I'm going to click on this bestsellers. Let's wait while it loads. Okay. So now we are going to be looking at the books that are ranking higher on the bestseller page. So I'm going to choose Kindle bestsellers. So I'll select this Kindle bestseller. We'll not look at the New York Times and all these ones. We are focusing our mind on Kindle bestsellers. So I will click Kindle here. Boom. Okay, so we are now on Amazon bestsellers. So now let's look at the next tip, which is what we are going to be looking at. The first one is to choose your niche. Which of the area are you looking at? So I want to believe that you are either writing fiction or non-fiction. So um, under this second tips, now we're going to look at which area are you going to be looking at under bestsellers. Remember, the topic is choosing a title for your book. So now we have top 100 paid. Now we have top 100 free. We're not going to look at free because free is not what we are looking at, because we want to be selling your books, and you are not you don't want a book to be shared for free, and at the end of the day you don't get anything. So we're looking at the top 100. So under the top 100, these are the number one. So anytime you see this badge here, that means this is the number one bestseller book of all the, sorry, excuse me, of all the niche. This is number one. So that means number one, two, three, four, and you can see the title. You can see the title. This one is the Washington Post digital access. Then the number two is what? The last eligible billionaire. The number three is where the crawdads sing. Now you don't need to bother yourself about all these ones here, all these ones that are ranking number one, number two, number three. I'm going to be showing you how you can, the easiest way you can get to the top. Now what I usually do is, when I started, I haven't known all this. I used to waste my time writing all kinds of books, the ones that I know, and I don't make sales. Honestly, I don't make sales because I haven't mastered this until I learned how to go about it. That's why I want to share this secret with you today. So you need to watch the end so that you will get all the details. So now, once you are on this page now, all you need to do is to look at short reads. Short reads are usually the best for a beginner, because if you think that your book is going to rank as rank this number one, two, three, or top five, it may take you a long time, and I mean it, a long time. So just focus on short reads. So I'm going to open short reads here now, and let me click on short reads. So we are now on short reads. You can see these are the short reads. Now we have, under short reads, we have 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 90 minutes, 1 hour, and 2 hours or more. So now, if you're a beginner, you don't need to be looking at 2 hours or writing books of 1 hour plus. Or yes, writing books of 1 hour plus is good. I'm not saying it's not good, but it may take you time before you finish writing, and most of the time, because you're a beginner, you may not know how to do keyword research and the rest of it, which is part of what I do teach. If you watch some of my videos, and I've thought about that. But in this for the purpose of this tutorial, I may not be talking about that keyword research and the rest of it, and the tags and all that. This one is just to choose a topic. So you are going to look at 15 minutes and 30 minutes at most. Let your books always be under 15 minutes or 30 minutes. So if I select 15 minutes here now, let me click on 15 minutes. So you see that these books are the ones that are ranking on 15 minutes. I hope you are following what I'm showing you here now, because it's very, very important. Now, under 15 minutes, we have top 1, 2, 3, and the rest of it. Now, we are going to look at the niche under this 15 minutes. Now, you have all these niches you can select from. Now, if you are good in cookbooks, food and wine, education and reference, and all this, you can select any of them. So for the purpose of this training, I'm going to open cookbooks, which is under non-fictional. Cookbooks under non-fictional. So I'm going to open this cookbooks under non-fictional. Now these are the books that are listed as top 1, 2, 3. So you see that this place now, we have this title here showing the ultimate guide on how to freeze, and you can see that this one is ranking number 1 with only about 7 rating. That means if you are to write a book about this, similar to this now, the chances of you ranking among these top 5 is high. Because if this person can rank number 7 with just top 1 with number just 7 ratings, it is quite possible for you for a book to show on this first page. Now if you're going to choose a title as a beginner, what I do teach my students are to look at this number 1, 2, 3, 4, and you make your selection. I always choose my title from this top 4 here. So I hope you are getting what I'm saying now, because this is very, very important. Now if I'm to choose, I will just title my own like the ultimate guide on how to freeze, or the best guide on how to freeze. These are just possible titles I can choose from. So if I'm to write my own now, my own will be the best guide on how to freeze. Now I will write about this. But if you don't know how to write about maybe this particular one, then you need to watch my other videos where I will be sharing how to write any book, so that you will know how to write any book or any title, and complete it, and edit and publish. So that is just on that. So if you are to make your selection, select among these top 4 you see here, so that your book can rank. Except you are going for for fiction. But if it's for non-fiction like this one here now, always make sure that your book is similar to this title. And when you open it, and let me open this one on new tab. So you see that the book has the book has 9 pages, and it was published on September 17, 2021. So with just 9 pages. So it means if you are writing this kind of book, it will not take you time to finish it. You see it. it will not take you any more than maybe few hours. Between 3 4 hours, you must have finished writing a book like this, the ultimate guide on how to freeze dry for novice. uh, so if after you finish writing and do your editing and you hit publish, uh, even though the book is ranking, the bestseller rank is quite high, which is very is not a good one to make choice from, but it's not bad. It's not bad as a beginner. So if you are writing, always aim to be among these. Make your selection among these uh, top ones, because you can see that the book is ranking number one in 15 minutes cool book and one, and 116 in the hydrating and the rest of it. But it's because it's ranking under this number one. That's why it's showing here. So I hope you got what I just shared on this video now, because this what I just shared now is very important. It's what many people are missing, and they just go and write any book, and their book will not even be showing on the top page. So that is how to make selection. So guys, if you got benefit from this video, give me a thumbs up and drop a comment in the comment section. If there's any question you have, you don't understand, also drop a comment and I will be glad to answer you. Now, to get more quality videos and updates like this, subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications so that you always get updates whenever I drop quality videos like this. Then if you have any other question or any other thing, then let me know in the comment section and I will be glad to assist you in the best way I can. So see you in my next video. Till then,